Hi guys, so I'm traveling and that is the reason I'm less often online as compared to usually what I do. But geopolitics doesn't stop when even you are traveling and holidaying. So there are some updates with which I want to put my opinion in front of you. Mr. Joe Biden, he's in France for the D-Day celebration in Normandy, but he's having lots and lots of troubles and questions in his mind because Macron, who is his ally, and he's constantly asking European countries and also France about France. He's talking about that they will be sending their forces, their troops to Ukraine, and Joe Biden does not want that, and he will not want that. Why he won't want that? Because United States has got lots of troubles, and they do not want that Europe should be in flames. Already Europe is in flame, but they want to come out and focus more of American resources in Indo-Pacific to counter China. And ultimately, if you look at United States of America's national interest, it is not with Ukraine or binding itself or pouring all its resources in Ukraine, in Europe. Right now, the most important national interest for United States of America is nothing but Indo-Pacific. So by the end of the year, you will see a lot of things happening, and you will also see that America will push hard the Europeans to go for some kind of negotiation with the Russians, not because they love Russians. Actually, neocons hate Russians, but what can they do? They have all limited resources. Every country has got limited resources. So do Americans. And you may also see some kind of changes even in Middle East. Thank you.